This week's book review is Starting Strength by the legend Mark Rippetoe. He is a legend in the strength training industry, and he's out of Wichita Falls, Texas, is where I am from. And so we're super proud to have his home gym in the town where I grew up. So Mark, thank you for writing this book. It has been on my list forever, and I am sad that I didn't read it till just now. I have been lifting with barbells for years. You may or may not, be able to know that about me, but it's just something I enjoy, is like getting stronger. And this book, just the first 70 pages is just all about the squat. If that gives you an idea as to the depth of this thing, it is full of pictures and diagrams of the way the human body moves, and it breaks these movements down into the minutia and helps you understand how to execute them at the most perfect form and the way that's going to be most effective for you to gain strength, but also do it safely so you don't injure yourself along the way, and gets rid of all these, so I realized there were so many things I was doing in these compound barbell movements that were just inefficient, ineffective, or downright dangerous. And this book really helped me break down those big movements. So most of the book is about the big 5 lifts that he says is the squat, the overhead press, the clean and jerk, the bench press, and the deadlift. Those are the big ones that he really goes into depth on, but then he has several chapters about all the different variations and different types of other lifts. And then he has, the end of the book is all about programming and how do you set up the right schedule for lifting and the right set counts and rep counts and things like that. But man, if you are a new person or a veteran to lifting with a barbell, you gotta read Starting Strength. You got it. It's the Bible in this space, but you're gonna learn something that's gonna keep you safe, that's gonna make you stronger, and you're really gonna realize this is something that's for life. So when you get strong in your legs, your back, your core, it's like you live longer. You live a higher quality of life. And this isn't just about ego stuff. This is about living well, is you have to be strong to go through life. And when you get strong, you can take on all of life's challenges much easier. So I encourage this for anyone, new or veteran alike. Definitely read Starting Strength. It's totally worth it. Check it out.